guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, we're on the road. Mommy's around there in the back, and we are taking you guys with us to go to Portmore fishing village. So we passed 3 miles already, so we are now on our way over there.
I can't say over there.
And you know, before we reach over Portmore, you have to go through the toll, so that is a little way ahead, but we will show you guys as we go along. We'll show you how the fishing village looks and what we got as well, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are approaching the toll now, the Portmore toll, to cross over, and I think toll has raised. I'm not exactly sure how much. I saw something online, but I'm not sure how accurate it is, so I'm guessing it's raised, but once we go up there then we will know how much. Okay guys, so we went through the toll and now we are approaching Portmore. I'm not sure if you can see that little sign up there. It's not really the Portmore sign, but so Portmore Center Spanish Town. So where we're actually approaching at this moment is Portmore Mall, which is over there. It has like a little sign thing, but we're not going over there, but it's over there. So that's Portmore Mall over there. If you're going to, like, I don't want to say not the city part of it, but like the more
We can't send them because I tell nowhere. I'm tell them long time power prayer vlog, so I am the biggest idiot of all.
yeah, I don't know Portmore myself. I don't come over here very often, but
Yeah, Murphy don't come over here.
Who?
Yeah, Murphy.
Yeah, but me now watch Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy I drive that people I watch now. Me don't know nothing about over here. I honestly don't. Let's hope somebody find the right road.
and those are houses. Most of the houses over here in Portmore, from what I can see, are all joined. Okay, so this is a fishing village now,
1 o'clock.
and there's like more than one little spaces over here.
Fish come out here too early. Oh Jesus, me not gonna come back over here.
There's more
You
than
can go
one.
up further.
You can go up further. There's more than one. No, maybe over there. So looks like over there, so you can
Fish
go.
market, so the building down here, so. So you can go straight up and park alongside. It look like nothing more convenient. Fresh just come. And after I'm just oh, a lady there. But she didn't show me. Why? Let me see nice snapper here then.
Then after them eyes there look say they really want to give.
Yeah. Let me see. 1 minute. They say I give me some.
All fish eye them look. What the eye them on?
Me no want to snack. Alright. Then me not do me.
Yeah, me know about fire come and you look at my fish.
Mama say me not see good. You see size.
Well, I got me big size.
You have to find two big size.
Bigger than them, yeah? And then I'm again. They can see as soon as I'm going.
So we have an need this.
I see everything, but you
Oh,
get this.
sprat? Me no want to sprat right here today.
Stop at my same size everybody.
Alright. Never come up with that. Goldfish never come up with them.
No, man, I stop at it to watch me drop the sprat on them. That's why
Oh, see if you find.
I look around and snap on them too.
So them not getting a nice big one.
My man, them when we get work from them, not go to far.
Oh, them not
The
go.
weather, no, the weather coming.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hey, hold on. How are you leaving? How are you leaving me alone? I forgot my socks. So I just bill a socks. Just my stocking bill a socks and she laugh off of me.
Yeah, these are bigger.
Eh? Alright.
Georgia.
What else you have there? See that snapper there on the big one. Japan for snapper. And butter how much? 15? Yeah, let me see that. No, like jackfish, you know. Let's see that next snapper there. You should have taken that one here. You call me. What is that different type of snapper, don't you?
Which one them have a slime out there?
No, man, I'm not slimy.
Parrot.
Which one have
Parrot.
it?
One and a half? Yeah, for where they butter and friend. You have to have fish from here if you have money. I see how some come over this.
Oh.
Are you a complex? How much a pound for your cup? Come back you come at the fish ground and saw them that are them rough scale it for you and take out the heavy guts. Butter they look nice in man. Yeah, trust me.
I'm Father God, your life change. Sleepless night, yeah.
Alright. So guys, I am back from the fishing village and this is what I got. But me honestly I wonder why them catch this out of the sea for. Because I bought from 2 people. Actually the first lady didn't have any and then afterward. So I didn't buy a lot from her. I found but they did these already as you see in prior clip. So I just refine them and dress them up and just wash them with some lime and vinegar. And I am on the outside and you're hearing Tory puppy them. You hear them noisy and them not even fully 3 days yet. Some maybe an hour or 2 have families. They're so noisy. They're the loudest one in the yard. So I'm sitting here and Champy is right there. Say hi Champy. Champy never feel well too. But me, you know, I work for him and him feeling better. I eat all wheat biscuit now. Him just start eat back now. And him lose some weight. But that's okay. He will come right back. He was so plump and chumpy. So today I want him best days from about Monday. So I'm trying to get up. But them do the thing they cleaning. Them do it good. I don't have a lot to refine up. So I'm gonna finish refine it up, catch them fire, and I'm gonna be frying it on the outside. And didn't I not tell you? I fell for some Escovitch Fishing Festival from quite a few weeks now. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, and then when you see me next, and here I get a nice butterfish. I want this butterfish. I'm gonna keep it till I can get another one. Because me and Dad we eat steamed fish. I think Jerry will too, but camera girl not in it. She mostly in a Escovitch, so we just gotta deal with it. So when the cleaning up everything over, I'm ready for fry. I'll come right back. I'm trying to beat the rain though. Come here, fry them on the outside. So I'll catch you. So know, guys, we started. I got a little delay because the rain came down and I left on the outside. So I'm coming out now and I don't know if I told you that I wanted to get some to study future. So I'm fish on the outside and then I go inside now. I just make the festival door and start to do the escapade business. So now get it done. You can't deal with it from the inside family when the fish fry. From the inside, too much. So I'm just gonna get on fire. Now let's show the whole package family then show you how to on a fish later. When they're done, make sure all of the lot. Okay, now family, we finished fry. So Dad, I got to eat this. I'm gonna take out this so Dad. Him can't deal with the pickle, none at all. So I put some pickle over this. And I have to take out for him fat. Yeah, Cobb and Jer and I got offer somebody. One. Tell me what you know about me. Want some of this to go out another. I'm fish them fry crispy and nice, you know. So I'm not worry about it to go up in the fish head. Yeah. So my eye over there so eat up. I'm going to be making some good old festival. I'm not care for bombing, you know. I don't really like bombing. You like bombing, Cobb?
Depending on how it's fried.
Yeah, some ghost pepper in here. Jesus help me. What that couldn't take it. Yeah, so we got an awful lot. I make some festival now, guys. I don't know what happened to them because my girl, I don't know what she deal with them. But maybe they want more baking powder. But nevertheless, yeah. So I'm making the festivals now. So when you see me next, I will have my plate ready. Okay, now fam, I'm gonna make my plate. Dad over the other end. Dad say hello now.
Hello everybody.
Yeah. So this is my plate. A long time I eat. Come on, girl, I'm gonna make her plate with a ghost pepper there. Some ghost pepper there. Dad not eat pepper family, but Dad go to supermarket go pick up. But that's something the name.
You have more people in the pot?
Pepper?
Pickle in the pot.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want more?
I'll take that one.
Okay, so this is for you and Jer. So this is my plate. I'm having some good old red strap. Enjoy. I'll catch you. I'll tell you what goes after. So guys, this is the aftermath of our tree. Me, camera girl and Dad. So thanks for watching. Hope you did enjoy. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. Remember to like our videos. Remember to leave us a comment below. And I hope you will do some of this Escovitch and festival. I'll leave the link to all of them. I think the festival, how to do your fish, fry your fish, and to make your Escovitch pickle. Do it ahead of time, so when on the 4th of July it will all be cured. I'll see you again with another video or another live.